And this is our end product, guys. This is, I'm going to call it Mama's home style tandoori chicken. Wow, look at that. Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. On this week's video we will be making tandoori chicken without the tandoor oven. So yes, controversial, right? So we're going to make this tandoori chicken home style. So I'm going to be using the spices that I would normally make, I'll be using when I'm making it at home for myself and the family. So this can be a really simple recipe, but really tasty. Also guys, if you guys are new to the channel, thanks again for stopping by. Please like and subscribe our channel, and to our regular viewers, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you ever so much. And we've got loads of recipes, guys, so let's crack on with this one. Okay guys, so this is our tandoori chicken recipe. So what we're going to do first of all is add in our spices into here. Now, as making it at home, I'm not going to be using any food colouring, so the natural food colour is going to be coming from the spices. So I'm going to use Kashmiri red chilli. I'm going to use 1.5 of those teaspoon. About 1/4 of a teaspoon of haldi powder. And again, this is how I make it at home for our family, so this is an authentic recipe. It's how my mum used to make it many years ago. So we've got 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, I've got about 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, just under 1 black pepper, salt add to taste, guys. I'm using about 1. Garam masala, also got some fenugreek leaves, which is about just about 1. So again, fenugreek leaves, give it a nice little crush. Our ginger garlic paste, this is optional. If you want to use that, you can do. So this is fresh chili and coriander mixed, blended together. You can skip that if you want to, but it does give it a nice flavour. And again, you can just use coriander if you want to. You don't have to use the chili. And now we're going to put some yogurt in. So we've got these are teaspoons. So I'm using 4. And again, it all depends how much, with the yogurt, how much chicken you're making. So I'm going to be marinating for 2 leg pieces. So we're going to give this all a mix. Got some oil. So about a teaspoon there. Also got 1 and about 4 teaspoons of lemon juice. As we sort of said, guys, this is a really simple recipe, straightforward. You can make this. The only time that needs to marinate the chicken. The longer you do it, the better. There you go. So again, now we're just going to get our hands dirty and mix them. So again, when you've got the chicken, Just cut them, give it a nice and deep cut so the spice and that goes through it. So I was looking in the fridge, and we've also got some tomato, onion and peppers. So technically, I guess this could be a tandoori chicken shashlik, because this is how the shashlik is made normally. Just add some peppers and so forth in. So we're just going to marinate everything. So there we go, guys. So generally what you can do is do the marinate the night before, and then it will marinate overnight, at least about 6 hours or so forth. Well, the longer the better. If you're short for time, do it for at least 4 to 6 hours. So make it possibly, you can make it marinate in the morning for the afternoon or the evening meal. So this is our tandoori chicken marinade, well, tandoori chicken shashlik marinade, and so I'll see you in about 6-7 hours once it's marinated. Okay guys, so it's been about 7 to 8 hours as this has been marinating overnight. Check it out, beautiful colour. Now with this tandoori chicken, you can cook it in the oven. You can also use a griddle pan to cook it, and I've actually chosen to cook it in this pan with some oil, and I'm going to cook it gently. So I'm not going to put the heat up too much. So the pan has been on heat, and I put the heat on low now, and I've got about 2.5 tablespoons of oil in there. Now if you don't want to use oil, stick in the oven, but to get the oven really hot, and then when you put the tandoori chicken in the oven, just put it to about 180 degrees, and then cook it for about 40 minutes to an hour. So with this one, what I'm going to do is just put the chicken straight in. That's it guys, this is our tandoori chicken without the actual tandoor oven. So cooking at home, just like how my mom used to make it many years ago, and hopefully I'll be able to replicate that taste from her. But this is the exact recipe. All I've done, I've added some green peppers and so forth extra because I had some in the fridge, so why not? Right, so I'm just going to wait for this to cook a few minutes, turning it around, probably take about 20 minutes or so. So I shall see you on the next clip. Okay guys, so the chicken has been cooking for about 7 to 8 minutes now. So what we're going to do now, you can see that is cooking away. You can see the stuff coming out. And give it a turn. Oh wow, look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? So again, similar stuff we're going to do. Turn it over. Oh yeah, look at that guys. And again, the heat's still on low, so leaving it like that. So this is a non-stick pan, so which is good. If you've got a griddle, perfect for it. Stick in the oven if you want to. Alright guys, so it's been about another 7-8 minutes. It's been cooking on the other side. So what I'm going to do now is actually have a look at it, shall we? Check it out. Oh yeah. Oh wow, yeah. What I'm going to do now, just on the edges, cook this off. I'm just going to lift that here and leave it here for a few. Okay, so as that's cooking away now, we're gonna introduce our green peppers and so forth. What I'm gonna do as well, I've actually even got some mushrooms as well, so I'm just gonna dip the mushroom in there and give it a quick mix. So at the Indian restaurant, this is how the shashlik is made. We just marinate the green peppers and tomatoes and onions into the chicken tikka or tandoori chicken masala marinade, and then we just cook them. I'm adding some mushrooms, because I do like mushrooms. what we're going to do now is just wait for these, just cook these to fry. So it's been about a few minutes. I'm just going to add a couple of green chilies. And this is our end product, guys. This is, I'm going to call it Mama's home style tandoori chicken. Wow, look at that. Right, let's go. So I think the cooking time's probably been about 40 minutes, just over 40 minutes really. It's been on low heat, so it's pretty cool. Wow, look at that. Well, this is it, guys. Just tuck in and look at it. Wow, look at it, absolutely amazing. The green peppers, tandoori chicken. Let's dive in. Shall we just go here as well? Oh, look at it, guys. How well is that cooked? Alright, let's get some mushrooms, bit of salad. Wow. This is amazing, guys. This tandoori chicken. You must try this. If you've got some fresh lemon juice, squeeze some lemon onto it. And that's amazing. If you haven't, guys, give our channel a like and a subscribe. And let us know which of our recipes you've enjoyed the most. And I'm just going to, yeah, continue eating this, guys. This is delicious.